So, an option for you before you turn in your friendly letter on Friday is to share your letter with a peer in class and have them read it over and give you some advice or feedback to see if they can understand everything you're saying, if they have any suggestions to help you improve. And if you do get that, if somebody asks you to read over it, please do give them advice because it's not helping them at all if you just say, oh, yeah, it's great. So I wanted to show you how you can share something with another student if you want to get their input before you turn in your writing on Friday. So one option is to go to share, and then you can enter the person's email address. And the way you can get their email address is through the class stream or through commenting on the assignment. Either way, you can ask somebody for their email address and get that from them. You'd enter it here, and then you just click done, and then they should be able to see it. You might need to change this to anyone can see. So you might need to come down here, make sure they're a viewer and not somebody who can edit. So you could go anyone with link and then type in an email address here, and then that would allow them to see. The other thing you can do is go to your Gmail and compose a message. And then I'm going to attach insert files using Drive. And then I have my letter here, and I just click on the letter and insert, just like when you're attaching it to an assignment. And then up here where it says recipients, you would enter the person that you want to send it to, and please read my friendly letter. And then you can give each other feedback and see if somebody can give you some suggestions on how to make the best writing before you turn it in on Friday. So you can either share it via the share link here. Just make sure you make it so that anyone with the link can view, or you can send an email and click this little triangular icon to attach the file there. Those are your two options. I hope they help you, and I hope that you're able to use that as a resource, use your peers as a resource to do the best work. Thanks.